Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, July 15th, 2013. Looks like Wall Street rises to new record highs. S&P 500 up for the 8th straight day. Taking a look here, the S&P up 0.14%, not up by much. Dow up about the same. Nasdaq up 0.2%. Small caps doing fairly well, up 0.65% for the day, with the banks up 0.8%, really giving a lot of strength to financials. That's saying the markets are the real deal, gang. However, VIX did not drop as much as what we thought it should have. Only down 0.36%. Fears should have been higher than that. We are sub 14. As far as precious metals are concerned, gold up a fraction, silver up 0.36%, crude oil up 0.3%, and you have the US dollar up a fraction. Utilities index up 1.55%, which is the defensive sector leading the charge for as that sector is concerned. Looking at the S&P daily, an extraordinary run. Gang, I'm going to go to the spiders. This is the ETF or exchange traded fund. I'm going to pull up volume here. I want you to look at the huge run higher and the dissipating volume going lower. We are above these areas of resistance. However, the all-time high, we haven't got there yet. So you're finding fewer and fewer buyers come into this market. With that said, you want to not be looking to go long right now. What we have to do is wait for a bull pullback or a high base or a bull flag or a bull pennant or whatever. Go to the charts, go down here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com and find out about all the chart patterns that are out there. We have to wait for that. We don't want to chase stocks. That's an amateur move. Let's take off our amateur hats, put on professional hats, and start doing things right. Look here at the Dow. You'll see that we're starting just to hang up here at these resistance level. The Nasdaq is on a tear, going higher, higher, higher. Russells, what's interesting with the Russells, as of today, we broke a trend line. That is rock solid. This is a smoking run right here. Here are the banks are chopping around, but we're making another high here on the banks. Huge. The VIX continues to drop lower, but this is a big pullback here. If I were to do a Fibonacci going from this low to this high, we're down here in like the 75% range on the retracement area. Take a look here at gold. You'll see that we had a little pop here, but we're still in this downtrend. Silver, we're in this downtrend, but we're on the bullish side of the trend line, which is giving us an idea that we could be finding a low and wanting to go higher. Google is approaching a resistance area, and we dojied out on Monday. And Apple at a major resistance area, resistance, resistance, and we're here at resistance. If I make this a line chart, resistance, resistance, we're right at resistance. So be careful going long this, and might even pick up a short on Apple. Facebook hit a trend line. We have go way back here, resistance, and we have resistance, and we're right there at resistance. You'll see all your Grok grads that came up, tagged the minor trend line. Now it's stalled at the main trend line. So anyway, with that said, I'll leave you with this. Hey, listen, if trading is the real deal for you, and this is something you're going to do into the future, you need formalized trading education. We're going to be doing that this weekend. Listen to what some of the students have to say next. Take care, and I hope you check us out.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's
a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
Yeah.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.